In this video, I want to show you how to create WhatsApp ad from Facebook. So you want to create an advert where people will have to come to your WhatsApp to transact with you. So this is how you do it. So the first step is to come to your ads manager. So you want to go to the adsmanager.facebook.com. I have videos on that already. So just check it out and create your business manager account. So after that, you see an interface like this. So you want to come to create. And this is where we select our campaign objective. So if you want to run ads on Facebook, you want to select an objective or what your advert should be about. So if you use a traffic campaign, you can send people to WhatsApp. If you use engagement, you can send people to WhatsApp. If you use sales, you can equally send people to WhatsApp. So it's going to depend on what you want to achieve with your advert. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to select I'm just going to use a traffic campaign or the engagement. Anyone is fine, but I'm just going to use traffic for now. So I click on continue and I want to select the manual traffic campaign. So we want to create everything ourselves. We don't want to use this one. So we want to click on continue. So this is our campaign level and we just need to name our campaign. So I'm just going to call it WhatsApp, let's say WhatsApp ad 1 or campaign, or let's just say campaign here. And then we just go to the next level. That's basically all we need to do here. So you come here, you click on next to go to the next phase, which is the ad set. Again, you can name this. The purpose of this naming is just to keep things organized so that you can see the names of these adverts later. So we want to select our conversion location, which in this case is going to be a messaging app. And on that messaging app, we have Messenger, we have Instagram, and then we have WhatsApp. So here you want to select a performance goal. So we have, if you click on this drop down, we have different kind of goals. And if we are going to run WhatsApp ad, and this is one of the mistakes people make, or one of the main mistakes people make, they optimize for link clicks and they get very generic traffic, and they complain that all the people who come to my WhatsApp, they don't buy. They won't buy because you just optimized for link clicks. So you get a lot of link clicks, but a lot of them will not come to your WhatsApp. So what we want to do is we want to come here where we say maximize number of conversion, and these are the people we need, the people who are most likely to have a conversation with us. So these people, they have been proven to start messages on WhatsApp. So here I want to select our Facebook page for this advert. This is by default. We already have our Facebook advert set, but we are not sending these people to Facebook. So we want to come down here. I want to select WhatsApp, but I cannot select WhatsApp now because this page is not connected to a WhatsApp account. So you must connect the WhatsApp you want to use to a Facebook page. All right. So that's the first thing you need to do. Again, I cannot connect this WhatsApp because I do not own this account. I'm just making a video with this account. All right. So after that, you want to come to the next phase here, which is make sure to connect your account and select WhatsApp. This is important. So after that, you want to come to the ad level. This is the ad level, and you just want to come where we can select our ad. All right, so we can manually upload our adverts. Let's say our advert is going to be a single image or video, or let's say multiple images or multiple videos. So in most cases, you want to start simple, and to start simple, you just use one image or one video so that people are not confused and you can easily find what you want them to find. So you can do that, or you can come here, click on this create ad. You can use an existing post. An existing post is a post that we have already on our Facebook page. So we can select this, but the reason why we cannot select this is because this page does not have WhatsApp. So it doesn't have text, and it doesn't have WhatsApp link. So what we can do is to come here, click on create an advert. All right. and then we are going to select manual uploads. And then if we come down here, we see this setup ad creative. You click on it, you click on, I'm going to use a picture for this, but you can use a video if you want. So if I click on this image ad, I have the option to come to media here, and then I can select the image that I want to use. So let's say I have this image on my computer. I can come here, click on upload. All right, and then I can upload it from my computer. But we already have some images on this account, and I'm just going to use one of them. So I'm just going to use this one. So I'm use it and say continue. So this is how our advert is going to show to people. All right, so this one now is on Reels, so you can say 1916 by 9. This is what is going to show them, and we can just click on next to continue. So Facebook wants to do some kind of enhancement. You can allow them if you want, but as a beginner, you just want to keep things simple and do your own thing. So we are not going to do all of that now. We are just going to say done and continue. Remember, we are supposed to have send a message on WhatsApp, but we do not have our WhatsApp connected yet. So this is where we are going to write our primary text. So let's say here we can see buy this now for a discount, or join this group for blah 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 for a discount or a bonus. So let's say discounts, and then you want to come down here. This is the headline, chat in Messenger. So if you are using WhatsApp, it's going to be chat in WhatsApp, or send us a message in WhatsApp. So you can change this headline too, but I don't want to change all of that. So you can add a description. Again, you don't need that for now. This is our call to action. So if you click on this, you can select other things like sign up, shop now, subscribe, but send message is the best option for you because you want them to actually send you a message. So as you can see, we have here chat in Messenger, send message. So they just know that they are supposed to send you messages. So this is much better for you. So if you come down here, you can see that we do not really need to do any other thing. We can automate our chat, but we don't need to do that for now. And we are basically done. All we have to do is click publish, and we can publish our ad. So the thing with WhatsApp ad is that there are some things that you are restricted from doing, like detailed targeting, depending on the campaign objective that you selected. So sometimes these things can affect the performance of your ad. But overall, this is how you create WhatsApp ads using Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. Like the video, subscribe. My name is Goodnoel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.